Securitization ni ngombo irakombo ikaga gwikirwo mathabu-ini mabuku-ini ma thirikari. Mbeca iria turarihira magutaini ikoya igakombwo roni, koguo mundu agakorwo toya igoti riu kahinda ka miaka 7 iria igukite.
Ni miario ica ikuhe ya mubunge wa Kiharo Ndindi Nyoro iria hithoritie mutugo mweru wa thirikari kuhitukira ruhonge rwa kigina, kuria Ndindi atariria ati ruhonge ruru ni rwambiriirie kuoya ngombo hithanie kiundutho kuhitukira gucuria kigina kia maguta kia RMLF mabengi-ini matiganite.
That is a making of a big scandal in Kenya, because we are borrowing money under fuel levy, the money that would have been collected for the next 7 years. We have already borrowed from the banks. That has not even come to the National Assembly for any deliberation. Na hiyo pesa imekopwa, hiyo pesa imelipwa, haijapitia bunge, na ni pesa ambayo wananchi watalipa for the next many years. Turakomba mbeca iria iroka budget, no tugacoka tugakomba kangi kando. Na mungikaigua githungu kiingi kianjia guka muno, ukaigua kiugo kiarikanio gia githungu kiritu, ugachunguza.
No miaria Ndindi KABERE kuraraka MUIKARIRI giti mweru wa kamiti ya bajeti uria ni mubunge wa Lego Usoga ATANDI uria ugite ati Ndindi arokirira thirikari kumana nake kweherio giturwa-ini giki. Riu ATANDI akiuga Ndindi araturwo tondu ndari na mweke wa kugaya kigina giki akienderera icigo cia Mount Kenya.
We have had a budget office where as I've told you, budget is not shared equitably. You know, budget goes to one section of the country. We beseech you to run away from tribal bigotry in the sharing of natural resources. It cannot be about one tribe, it cannot be about one region. Allow the country to move on by embracing equitable sharing of public resources so that every part of this region can benefit, because this country belongs to all of us.
Kurigana na ATANDI woi wa ngombo ici hithanie wambiriirie guthugundwa Ndindi aria MUIKARIRI giti wa kamiti no, na uguo ndabatie kunegena riria undu uyu rakinyanira. Akiuga hatire thina na kuoya ngombo ici, akiuga ni iguthinga mahoro ma gukinyanira gwa tabarira cia uthii wa nambere guothe bururi-ini ona thengi ya gukundera gwa kigina kiria kihuthikaga bajeti-ini.
Because my predecessor is saying that this is one of the scandals in the making. So I want to say that this idea was mooted when the former chairman of Budget Appropriations Committee, my brother NYORO, was the chairman here. And he was one of the people who participated in conceiving this idea. He supported it. We have received about 60 billion so far, which has been shared out to all pending contracts at about 40% of the pending bills.
Ona kuri uguo riu Ndindi atariirie ati thirikari ndigutigithagiria uhuthiri muru wa kigina ya tira. Riu akiuga thirikari yoereire uhuthiri wa kigina kia marihi ma ukuru-ini maria marengagwo wa Kenya ma NSSF hario mweri kuria mabilioni ma mbeca mararengwo aruti a wira mambiriirie kuhuthika.
Tugoka tukauga riu ati NSSF irapushwo itikire kuoya projects cia gwaka barabara, ati barabara icio igekira toro, ikerwo mbeca ciayo icio yaka nacio ikarikava na kuoya toro eyo. Ngoria na gitio mbeca cia andu aria marutaga wira thiini wa Kenya magasave thiini wa NSSF ni tutige gucihuthira na njira iria itetekiritio gigatiba. NSSF yagirirwo ni kuroraga mbeca ciaikio kuria ikuma cie nyingi muno makiria.
Hadi ni KABERE TV retora kwa ni Bataro wa Mwagi.